Welcome to the School of Photography. We've been teaching since 2002 and we teach people all over the world photography via our online courses. On our YouTube channel we bring you loads of tips and techniques and basically show off what we can do, just like this. Oh wow, look at that! That is superb! Wait for the bus and take the shot. Oh, that's actually worked quite well. I've actually introduced a silver reflector here to put some more light onto the face. The flash goes off, frees the action of the mountain bike. I'm going to try leading lines now to lead me into the model there.
Check it out behind me. We're at this lake up in the mountain, and again I took some shots here and I hope you like them as well.
I'm going to use this silver reflector to create what's called a catch light and give a sparkle to the eyes. Now we would love to be part of your photography learning journey, and if you want that too, simply hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button and wait for the videos to flow. I hope to see you soon.
That's fantastic.
Hey, check it
I thought
out.
they'll flash to change it.